Life is not rated by what you have now. I say, please, what you have now must never give you a message that you are the best or you are a failure. Where you are looking there, where you are looking there, it might be far, but you are going there. From now on, if we can have a church of people who have faith, I'm telling you, we can change everything. We can change your home. We can change the way you stay. You can change how you do things. You can change how you walk. I want to congratulate you because you are going there. God bless you.
Amen.
Life is not